Welcome to Clever Mum. Life can be unpredictable, especially for mums juggling kids, work, and household responsibilities. Having a selection of pre-prepared freezer meals on hand can be a lifesaver for those evenings when cooking feels impossible. In this video, we'll dive into 5 essential freezer-friendly recipes that are beginner-friendly, delicious, and designed to keep both you and your family nourished on even the craziest days. Let's start by addressing the challenges many mums face. Think about unexpected schedule changes, picky eaters refusing dinner, or simply running out of energy after a long, demanding day. These scenarios can leave any parent feeling overwhelmed when it comes to mealtime. That's where freezer meals step in as the ultimate time-saving solution. They ensure you always have something homemade, hearty, and satisfying, without having to start from scratch every evening. Imagine the relief of knowing dinner is already taken care of, direct from your freezer to your table. This video is all about inspiring you to take a few small steps on less busy days, so that future you can have a little breathing room when chaos inevitably strikes. Let me give you an overview of what's coming up. 5 freezer meal essentials. These recipes are more than just tasty. They're versatile, practical, and perfect for busy households. The stars of this lineup include lasagna, soup, homemade chicken nuggets, burritos, and muffins. Whether it's dinner, lunch to go, or even a snack, these dishes will help simplify your life while keeping your family satisfied. Now, why these 5 recipes? Each one earns its place because of its adaptability. You'll see how lasagna becomes a crowd-pleasing comfort meal, how soups can be tailored to any ingredient you've got on hand, and how even classic kid favorites like chicken nuggets can be elevated when made from scratch. Plus, burritos and muffins add a layer of convenience by being portable and easy to customize. Our goal here is not just to provide you with recipes, it's to give you tools and tips to completely rethink how you prepare meals for your family. What if I told you that a few hours spent prepping on a quiet weekend could save you countless nights of stress? That's exactly what freezer meals can do for you. And don't worry, you don't need advanced cooking skills or hours of free time to make this work. These recipes are specifically designed for beginners, mums, dads, or anyone looking for simple solutions in their kitchen routine. Plus, the best part, these meals aren't just about convenience, they're nutritious, customizable, and budget-friendly too. So stick around as we explore each recipe in detail. From tips on freezing and reheating to ideas for customizing to your family's tastes, you'll be armed with everything you need to begin a freezer meal prep journey that truly fits your lifestyle. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel ready to conquer dinner time chaos, one freezer meal at a time. Let's make your life just a little easier, one recipe at a time. Welcome to Clever Mum. And there you have it. This collection of freezer meals, lasagna, soups, chicken nuggets, burritos, and muffins is truly a game changer for managing busy days. Not only do they offer convenience, but they also provide the comfort of knowing that you're serving your family something wholesome and homemade. By taking a little time up front to prepare these meals, you're setting yourself up for success and saving valuable time and energy when life gets hectic. Whether it's a busy workday, an unexpected schedule change, or simply a day when you need a quick solution, these meals have got your back. We hope this video inspires you to get started on your freezer meal journey. Why not try preparing at least one of these recipes this week? Start small and see how it transforms your routine. Now, before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these freezer meals are you most excited to try first? Or maybe you have a go-to freezer meal recipe or tip of your own. If so, don't hesitate to share it in the comments below. Your insights and ideas might inspire someone else to make their life just a little bit easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Clever Mum for more practical tips, meal ideas, and solutions for busy households. When you hit that subscribe button, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's build a community where we empower each other to tackle challenges and make parenthood a little more manageable, one small change at a time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking and happy meal prepping.